Working on the rudder adapter for our Grumman 17 double end canoe Scout. The factory piece is aluminum. We couldn't get the factory to recreate that. They don't currently make them anymore. We haven't been able to find them online anywhere yet, so we fabricated this adapter that clips onto the stern out of a couple of stainless steel Ronstand gudgeons, and just layered up some fiberglass around them and formed it to the stern, and we've got all the fiberglass laid, and we came in with a sander today with 60 grit and just trimmed off the edges, smoothed down any rough spots, drilled a 3/8 inch hole. There's supposed to be some type of a pin or a bolt there to hold it on, and it's looks like it's going to work. It's on there pretty firm as it is. The brochure for it says there's a little thin rubber pad that goes underneath, probably just to keep from there being rubbing on the transom. I don't know if we'll need that, seeing as we got fiberglass there instead of aluminum. So that's how that's going to work. Love these little details that they added back then. They put this little pin, has the little lock on top of it. If I can do it one-handed. Probably noisy, so stand by for noise. So the rudder comes off. Here's the oops, sorry about the finger. Here's the gudgeons we used. And right now we're using the handy drill bit to simulate the bolt that'll go in there. Not sure if we can find like a hitch pin or what we'll end up doing. Maybe just a bolt with a wing nut and a lock washer on it. We'll see what we come up with this. That hole there, it is sealed to the inside. That's normally where they put a toe shackle. We put a little shackle on there to tie a line to. And here's the piece we made. It's pretty firm, pretty stiffened up by those gudgeons. So now we'll take it, put some kind of paint on it, maybe see if we can find the same just colors and match the pattern to it. So that's the rudder adapter for our Grumman 17 canoe Scout. Enjoying a few days of luxury in the carriage house with our wooden sunfish zip and our standard sailfish Winnie, and this little board here are the beginnings of a beam for the Pascagoula catboat. Here's part of the keel batten over here. Someone said it's not supposed to say the boat's name out loud while you're still building it. Well, if that's the case, we've said it a lot already. We'll just have to deal with that. Margaret Rose will be her name. Hope y'all are having a good one out there, and send us some notes. We'd love to hear from you.